The truth about plant-based diets, benefits and myths debunked. Are you curious about plant-based diets and wondering if they're right for you? Let's uncover the truth about plant-based diets, debunk some myths, and explore their incredible benefits. Contrary to popular belief, a plant-based diet doesn't mean giving up all animal products. It's about prioritizing whole, plant-based foods while still allowing flexibility. By focusing on fruits, vegetables, whole grains, legumes, nuts, and seeds, you can enjoy a diverse and nutrient-rich diet. One of the biggest benefits of a plant-based diet is its positive impact on overall health. Studies have shown that plant-based diets can reduce the risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. They're rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which support a strong immune system and promote optimal health. Plant-based diets are also environmentally friendly. They require fewer natural resources, produce fewer greenhouse gas emissions, and have a lower carbon footprint compared to animal-based diets. By choosing more plant-based meals, you can contribute to a more sustainable and eco-friendly future. Now, let's debunk some myths. It's often believed that plant-based diets lack protein, but that's far from true. There are plenty of plant-based sources of protein, such as beans, lentils, tofu, tempeh, quinoa, and nuts. By incorporating a variety of these protein-rich foods into your meals, you can meet your daily protein needs. Another myth is that plant-based diets are expensive. While some specialty plant-based products can be pricey, a plant-based diet can actually be more affordable. Staples like whole grains, legumes, and seasonal fruits and vegetables are often budget-friendly and can be purchased in bulk. Remember, transitioning to a plant-based diet doesn't have to happen overnight. Start by incorporating more plant-based meals into your routine and gradually increase the ratio of plant-based foods in your diet. Listen to your body, experiment with flavors and recipes, and seek guidance from a registered dietitian if needed. So, if you're considering a plant-based diet, know that it can have numerous benefits for your health, the environment, and even your wallet. Embrace the power of plants and discover a world of delicious and nutritious possibilities.